Good morning, students. Welcome back again with our topic introduction of quantity surveying, costing, and estimation. So, this is the third part. We will discuss about in our previous class about the types of estimation and introduction part. Today, we will discuss about the objectives of estimation or quantity surveying and estimation. So, as we all know, when we start any work, we have to choose an aim or object for that work. So, in QSC also or estimation also, we need some objectives for what we have to find the quantities or materials and all these things. So, basically, there are three types of objectives of QSC. The first objective is required quantity of materials. The first objective of the quantity surveying estimation is we need to know the quantity of material which we will be required for that work or that project. So, if we want to know the quantity of material, we have to find out all the quantities through quantity estimation. Now, the second objective of the quantity surveying is cost of materials. As we all know, many of the things will be decided through cost, and so cost is very important for us. So, if we need to know the cost of the material, then we have to find the QSC, quantity estimation. We have to do the quantity estimation of that project or that structure. The third one objective is finding cost for various works like brickwork, RCC, reinforcement, etc. Means as we all have to know the quantity of the material, then we also need to know the quantity of work also, and that of that work what will be the cost for performing that work. So if we need to know the work cost, then we have to find the various works cost like brickwork, RCC, reinforcement, plastering, painting, and other artificial work, etc., etc. So these are the basic three objectives of the quantity estimation and surveying, which we have to require, or at last at the conclusion we will get these three objectives at the time of concluding the estimation. In our hand we will get the required quantity of material, so we can order the quantity of that material. Then we will get the cost also, cost of that material, and we will get to know the how much budget we will require for that materials, and the work which will be performed will also we will get the quantity and their performing cost. So these are the objectives of quantity estimation and survey. The next point is principles of estimate. So what are the principles for which are followed, or we can say the points on which we will make the estimate. The first point is prediction of probable cost. The principle of estimation says that if we want to know the probable cost of the project or the structure, we need to find that estimate, or we will need to calculate that estimate, or we need to prepare that estimate. So, if we want to predict a probable cost, we need to perform that estimation process. The second principle is figuring out how to put the pieces together in the most economical manner. So, if we can say, if we have the budget of that project is limited, then we have to plan the things accordingly that budget. So, the estimate also helps us in figuring out that pieces of work into consideration, as which part is needed first, we will get into that, and we will just perform that work first with that cost. So that will at last we will have an economical we can say project, or we will get an economically strong by that estimate. Identify the quantity of pieces of takeoff. It will also help in identifying the quantity of pieces takeoff. It will also help in identify construction method, as what method we will choose at that time of construction will also help by the estimate we have prepared. Will it be stable during construction will also be the principle of estimate. And the last principle is productivity. So what will be the productivity of that project, or our work? We need to know the principles of estimate. The next point is methods of taking out quantities. As we all know, estimation is the process in which we need to calculate the quantities of the materials or the work. So there are some methods which are used for that estimation process. So basically there are two methods. First is English method, and the second one is PWD method. So these two methods are used for taking out the quantities of the material or the work, in which we need to know the taking off of the materials, then grouping, and then billing. So all these points are covered in PWD method, or these points are or these methods are used for estimation of quantities in any project or any structure of civil engineering. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the lecture, and thank you very much. Thank you.